Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a responsive blog layout with Squarespace. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To set up a responsive blog layout with Squarespace, begin by logging into your Squarespace account. Select the website you wish to edit. On the left sidebar, click on Pages. Locate the blog section, or create a new page and select the blog layout option. Next, click on the plus add button to create a new blog post. Enter a title for your post in the designated field. In the main content area, add your written content, images, and any other media you wish to include. Once you've finished creating your post, navigate to the top right corner and click Save. To configure your blog layout, go back to the Pages section. Select the blog page, then click on Design in the top menu. Choose the layout option to explore different display styles for your blog posts. Select a layout that best fits your content style, such as grid or list view. Adjust the settings to customize spacing, post visibility, and the number of posts displayed per page. After selecting a layout, return to the main blog page to see how the changes look. To ensure your blog is responsive, click on Design again and then choose Site Styles. In the Site Styles panel, look for options related to mobile settings. Make sure the mobile view is set to optimize for different screen sizes. Preview your blog on various devices to confirm it's displaying correctly. Once satisfied with the layout and responsiveness, finalize any additional settings, like SEO and social sharing options. Finally, publish your changes to make your new blog layout live. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.